Hello viewers, good morning. I am Miss Pragati. Now you will hear the Gita philosophy and its importance from Professor Kamakhya Prasad Das, HOD in History, Government College Koraput, Odisha. Thank you.
Friends, the Gita philosophy brings the human will into conformation with the divine will. This will, though not understood by a normal being, its indication influences a lot to a divine heart. One cannot grasp its true purpose unless reaches to that level. So let's experience this philosophy once. The Gita philosophy seeks to influence human will. Hence, it is expressed in human terms. It is more or less the living determination of the Supreme Soul. It has a fixed intention to bring about human relation to the right path. So, its essential features lies in its mysterious symbolical approaches. Friends, the Gita initiates Arjun to struggle with the principle of the divine will. Krishna is an icon here for the mankind amidst complexities. Arjun receives knowledge from Krishna to achieve his mission and ideas. And once Purusartha is testified and justified through Krishna Arjuna and then appears as world savior. So friends, the Gita philosophy attempts to salvage humanity through its indication that something appears to be an apparent failure is not really so. One cannot proceed with his assigned mission without reciprocal action by humanity. One's mission has to be brought into frustration. The invocation of Krishna has reached millions through the powerful Gita philosophy, which is peculiar but essential. The spiritual hierarchy has initiated the process through enunciation of Krishna. Now, its meaning must be analyzed by the masses in due time. Then only this philosophy can flow to the mankind and it can descend to the humanity. And this philosophy satisfies every soul through its divine principles. It seals the door of heart and mind where evil dwells. This philosophy is a unseen weapon against evil spirits. It works out its principles through love and light. It enhances the potency of mind, love, and will. So let's experience and enjoy this philosophy through this Gita. The Gita philosophy expresses that human intelligence can rightly be experienced only through willpower. It can effectively be demonstrated through one's divine spirit because divine spirit initiates willpower to do good things. Once our divine spirit becomes stronger, it will seal our heart against evil dwellers. So let's experience and enjoy this philosophy. The Gita philosophy expresses every idea of human race, symbolically specifying a purpose of life. It picks out all kinds of evil spirits from the body and mind. Our selfish desires are suppressed and gradually comes into an end. It reforms us and rejuvenates us every time. The Gita philosophy is above any greed, racial and national barriers. It is above any low and personal ambition and cruelty. Love is its power, goodwill, and light streams forth into the minds and hearts of human through this philosophy. So it keeps its door open for everyone and every time. It accepts everyone and reforms the aspirants only. Thank you.
Thank you for watching our channel. See you in the next episode.